Today we're going to learn about our very last factoring strategy of the year, and that is the AC method. And I wanted to explain in this first portion exactly why you're going to need to do the AC method. And it's because I'm looking at this particular equation that I need to solve. First of all, you'll notice it's at equal to 0, just like the other equations we solved last week. And we're going to look at the fact that this exponent is 2, the lead term is 2, so that makes this quadratic. We also can look at the fact that this side of the equal sign has 3 terms, which means that the expression side is a trinomial. And the other reason that we are going to have to use this particular method, the AC method, is that I need to look and see if the lead coefficient, so if the A is greater than 1, and it is. Now, we have worked some of these before, but in those cases, they had a greatest common factor. Those cases, they had a number that we could divide out of all of these terms, so that then we could just pop open our binomials, find out what we multiplied to get C, that we would add to get B, and then we could just figure out our answer and our zeros and call it a day. But you're going to notice this time there isn't anything that I can divide out of all 3 of those coefficients. So A is greater than 1, and there's no GCF. So I can't just factor out the greatest common factor and then factor it from there. So I'm going to have to use the AC method.